In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a weekly schedule template in Google Sheets. Start by going to Google Sheets in your web browser. Once you are on the main Sheets homepage, look near the top right area where Google shows different starter options. Click on Template Gallery. This is where Google keeps ready-made spreadsheet layouts, and using one of these templates is the fastest way to build a clean weekly schedule without designing everything from scratch. After the template gallery opens, click on the weekly schedule template to select it. When you click it, Google Sheets creates a brand new spreadsheet based on that design and opens it in a new tab. Give it a moment to load so all the formatting and labels appear correctly. Now that your weekly schedule is open, you will customize the editable fields. Click into the highlighted area near the top of the sheet, where the title or header information is meant to be changed. Type your own text in that highlighted cell. This is usually where you can name the schedule for a specific purpose, like a work schedule, class schedule, or family plan. Keeping this label clear makes it easier to find later in Google Drive. Next, continue clicking the other highlighted cells in the header area, one at a time. Each highlighted space is designed to be edited, so you can replace the sample text with your own information. As you click into a highlighted cell, simply type to overwrite what is already there. You can also press Enter to confirm the change and move to the next area more quickly. Then, find the section labeled Week Of. Click directly on the Week Of field and click again if needed so the cursor is active in the correct spot. Type in the date for the week you are planning. Using a consistent format, like month, day, and year, helps the schedule stay organized week to week. After that, click through the remaining highlighted fields across the schedule where details belong, such as day headers or key planning areas. Each time you click a highlighted cell, replace the placeholder text by typing your own. Take your time and make sure you are editing the intended cell, since this template relies on consistent formatting to stay readable. Once you have filled in those highlighted areas, your weekly schedule template is set up and ready to use. That covers everything you need to know.